For a second time in a week, a federal grand jury in Virginia has refused to indict New York Attorney General Letitia James for alleged mortgage fraud. I want to bring in CBS News Department of Justice reporter Jake Rosen. Jake, what have you learned?
Well, that's right, Lindsay. We know that the Department of Justice presented to a grand jury in Alexandria, Virginia, right down the road from here, evidence of Letitia James' alleged wrongdoing in applying for mortgage loans back in 2020, 2021 time. Today, and a grand jury again refused to indict her. We know that just last week, the Department of Justice attempted to do the same thing in Norfolk, Virginia, the Department of Justice is looking for different grand juries to potentially revive this case that currently kind of is straying in the wind. Why is that so, Lindsay? It's just because the Department of Justice appointed Lindsay Halligan, that Trump-appointed prosecutor. She used to work in the White House. She brought forward those cases against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James, two very loud and prominent Trump critics. In James's case, she was accused of alleged mortgage fraud, and a federal judge ruled that Halligan's appointment was unlawful. And because Halligan alone presented that information to the grand jury, signed off on the indictment after it was voted on, that those indictments were fully null and void. And since then, the Department of Justice has not yet appealed that judge's ruling and instead has tried to find different grand juries here in Virginia to bring these cases forward again, and they have failed to do so for the second time.
Jake Rosen, thank you.